make chocolate protein French toast. So today I'm going to be using 4 eggs, I've got 4 pieces of bread here, I'll be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way chocolate protein powder, I'll be using a quarter cup of plain Greek yogurt, I've got about 1/3 cup here of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, and then I've got some chocolate for the topping. Now, I like to make my French toast mixture in a large tray like this because that way you can soak all your bread at the same time. So what you need to do is chuck in your eggs, your protein, your Greek yogurt, your milk and your maple syrup and whisk it together until it's nice and combined. And then just pop your bread into the pan and allow it to soak and absorb up that liquid for about 5 minutes on each side. Once your bread has absorbed the egg mixture, you're then going to cook that in a fry pan over medium heat. I'm going to grease my fry pan with butter. And then I'm going to cook each side for about 4 minutes each side until it's nice and golden. Take it off and then top it with whatever toppings you enjoy.